Problem posing. According to Silver on 1994, problem posing refers to both the generation of new problems and the reformulation of given problems. Thus, posing can occur before, during, or after the solution of a problem. The ability to pose problems is an important skill which teachers need to develop. Teachers need to be able to pose a range of challenging and interesting problems which will motivate children to learn and further develop children's mathematical understandings. What to remember when writing a good problem? Remember that when writing a good problem, first, the method of solution should not be immediately known. Second, the student must feel that he or she has a reasonable chance of finding a solution. Third, the student should want to try to find a solution, that is, the problem should be of interest. How to pose a problem? Pose a problem that gives a particular answer. For example, 24, 18, or 38. Pose a problem about a particular mathematics topic. For example, probability, linear algebra, or quadratic functions. Third, pose a problem which involves the use of a specific mathematics concept. For example, equivalent fractions, rational expressions, or algebraic expression. Pose a problem which involves the use of a specific mathematics method. For example, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Pose a problem that based on a specific problem structure. For example, John and Susan have a total of 15 bananas. Susan and Matthew have a total of 19 bananas. Matthew and John have a total of 22 bananas. How many bananas does each person have? The underlined words here, which is how many bananas does each person have, is based on a specific problem structure. Sixth, pose a problem that has more than one solution. For example, draw shapes with a perimeter of 10 centimeter, or find the x and y coordinates and then graph. What are the advantages in posing a problem? Children can demonstrate their own mathematical understandings. It provides the teacher with an understanding into the types of learning experiences and activities that children find challenging and enjoyable. Types of problem posing experience by Silver on the year 1995. First, prior to problem solving when problems are being developed from a particular situation. Second, during problem solving when the individual intentionally changes the problem's goals or conditions. Third, after solving a problem when experiences from the problem-solving context are modified or applied to a new situation. Suggestions for classroom development. First, encourage students to pose problems for friends whom are at or near their own standard until they become more competent in generating problems. Second, ensure that students work cooperatively in solving the problems so that the person who posed the problem gains feedback on the appropriateness of the problem they have designed. Third, ask individuals to indicate the type of understandings and strategies the problem solver will need to use in order to solve the problem successfully before a friend develops a solution. Fourth, encourage problem-solving teams to discuss with one another the extent to which they found problems to be difficult, confusing, motivating, or challenging. Fifth, provide opportunities for less able students to work cooperatively with a peer who challenges the individual to engage in mathematics at a higher level than they are usually accustomed. 6. Challenge students to move beyond traditional word problems by designing problems that are open ended and associated with real life experiences.